Commercial Cleaning and Disinfection Expectations 2021. How expectations and attitudes have changed post-vaccine. A nationwide survey shows employees are even more concerned about cleaning and disinfecting in the workplace now than they were in May 2020. Despite the guidelines set forth by the CDC and the rollout of a vaccine, many employees lack confidence that their workplace is safe and clean. The survey results tracking employee expectations from May and December 2020 show the importance of cleaning and disinfecting has only increased over time. Key takeaways. While employees' confidence in their employer's ability to create a safe workplace has increased, a third of employees say not enough is being done. Employers need to do more to demonstrate what they are doing to make employees feel comfortable in the workplace. 3/4 of employees say it is important to use commercial cleaning services who are trained and certified in disinfecting. The impact of an available vaccine has not diminished employee expectations for cleaning and disinfecting. Our December survey reported that 73% of employees expected their workplace to be cleaned daily. Now, however, workers are more emphatic that buildings need to be disinfected daily. 62% want it disinfected daily as well, an increase of 11%. For more information, download the complete guidebook on this page. OpenWorks is a national facility services and commercial cleaning and disinfecting service provider that helps businesses, healthcare facilities, schools, and more make their worlds work better by making their facilities cleaner, safer, and healthier. Specialized in delivering high-quality commercial cleaning, disinfection, and integrated facility services, the company has more than 20 regional offices and a network of more than 1,700 elite service providers who service more than 5,500 facilities across the country. With a 98% customer retention rate, OpenWorks should be at the top of your list of commercial cleaning services. OpenWorksWeb.com. Get an estimate.